What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Baby Doge today because these technicals I've been talking about them the whole week, the whole month, really about hitting the 2.8 area, and we finally hit that level. So we're really gonna talk about this and where this is pretty much gonna bring Baby Doge next. So, anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. If you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and join, and I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over. So yeah, big shout out to all the members. The next member request that I'm going to be going over is XRP. So we're going to be going over that, and the whole thing with the SEC is going crazy. But we're going to be going over that stuff lately. Now, first things first, we're going to go over Baby Doge. Remember, though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. So right now, you can see the bears are in control of the market, the 24-hour market control by 100%. So it's pretty much showing that Baby Doge is 100% bearish here. So that's definitely, short-term views. Like, it's 100% bearish for the short term. But looking at the short-term view here with Baby Doge, you see this whole support line that I put here. I was like, look, 2.9. If we break 2.9, we're going straight down to 2.8, and it's going to go straight down all the way down. Or I mean, if we break 3.0, and that's exactly what happened. We broke 3.0. These red areas indicate less demand, so I knew we were going to break those areas, and it just happened like boom, out of nowhere. It just happened. We broke those areas, and now you can see here on the oscillator, we just been having so much selling pressure for Baby Doge, and we pretty much bottomed out right here around 2.850. So that's where we bottomed out with Baby Doge. So now that we already hit 2.8, we gotta look for the next support, and pretty much the next support that I'm seeing here for Baby Doge that we're all really seeing is 2.4 area. That's going to be the next area of support. Now 2.6, we did hit 2.6 before, and 2.6 was kind of like a support for us, but expect 2.4 to be that next support to like really hold Baby Doge down. So that could happen. I don't know when it could happen, but just know that it's quite possible for it to happen. Like, we've been waiting for the 2.8 support to come, and the 2.8 support finally came. So 2.4 is not far-fetched. Now, this is the 15-minute chart. When looking at the 1-minute chart is not really probable. It's not really good at all to look at the 1-minute chart for crypto, because crypto is so volatile. What you really want to be looking at is either the 15-minute chart if you want to just know the short-term projection for Baby Doge or whatever crypto asset you're looking at, or you look at the 4-hour chart. Now, the 4-hour chart is really going to give you the telltale symbols of what is going to happen next. So as you can see here with Baby Doge, we are inside this red area of less demand, and we're going straight down to the bottom of it, and we're not probably going to stop until we actually reach the bottom, which will pretty much be directly at 2.4. So right now, you can pretty much see Baby Doge at 2.9 right now, 2.4 being that complete bottom for us. Not the complete bottom, but the complete bottom for that short-term downtrend. And then you'll probably see Baby Doge trying to, go back on an uptrend, retesting 3.0 and 3.1. It'll try to retest that. But if we get rejected trying to get back above 3.0, then you're going to see this 2.4 area coming for Baby Doge, because this is where we have more demand. This whole 2.4 area right here, it shows more demand. The whole green for all of these areas on the chart pretty much shows more demand. And actually, I was doing some day trading with different stocks today. So if you all want me to go over stocks as well, like during trading hours, I'll go over some of those stocks for you. And I'll even do a live stream for stocks if you all want me to do that. Because obviously, so I can't really do that all the time, because I work a job from literally 6 a.m. till about 5 p.m., sometimes even 6 p.m. So it's really hard for me to be able to do like the stocks for the opening trading hours, because it really helps with the automated trading indicators when you see these stocks trading like live time. So it's kind of different with crypto, because every exchange is different and they have different prices. But when you day trade stocks, you can be on any platform other than Robinhood, because Robinhood is it's way off. But with TD and Ameritrade, I had everything on point. And at the start of the day, I made a cool 120. But then by the end of the day, I lost about a few hundred. But that is the game. But anyways, just let me know in the comments if you all want me to go over stocks. I'll do that for you all, and then I'll probably just end up quitting my job and doing live streams for every single market open. But anyways, let's go over Baby Doge some more though, because I really do want to do some more Baby Doge live streams as well. But yeah, anyways, eventually I'll be doing this 24/7 as a full-time job. But what you see right here with Baby Doge, eventually going down to this 2.4, or the 2.8 area flat, because right now we're at 2.9. That 2.8 area is going to lead us going down to 2.4. Like, I know I say this a lot, but a lot of people don't want to hear me say Baby Doge is going down to 2.4. but that's just where we have the demand at. And I just know firsthand from trading, and especially from the day trades I did this morning using these indicators. It's funny because I was doing day trades on Neo, and then like the second that it hits these areas, it starts to go on uptrend, and it happened multiple times. So you definitely want to watch these different trends in the market. And then when I mention this stuff with the automated trading indicators, you definitely don't want to just throw it off like off the bat board. Like it's definitely really profitable if you're like trading with these kind of indicators. Obviously with baby doge, you don't want to trade baby doge. It's like a terrible idea. You just don't want to do that because that's exactly how you just lose 10% per every transaction. It's just not probable to trade baby doge. But anyways, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description below. This is definitely a good thing to do when you're trying to trade. But I'm just kind of giving you an example here, then we can get back to it. But like I said, all you really got to do, wait for it to go down to the these green areas of more demand. Like I said, I pretty much waited for it to get down here, bought down around here, made some good profits. But if I would have just held till the end of the day, then I would have really made a lot of profits. And I didn't. I sold around here and only made like $118 profit off of my little trade there. But if I would have just went all the way up there to the top, I would have made a lot in profit. But this is just to say that the automated trading indicators really help out a lot, because the second it hits these green areas here, you always see that uptrend. The second it hits the red areas, you always see the downtrend. So coming into the next day, you're going to see Neo hit a downtrend during the pre-market for the next day. But like I said, I'm going to be doing some stock videos inside the near future because I really love the stock market right now because all the volatility, and it kind of reminds you of crypto about by how volatile it is. But there's a lot of money to be made when there's volatility in markets. So, anyways, back to Baby Doge. I got a little bit sidetracked there, but it wasn't 100% sidetracked. It's something that I want to go over because I just want you all to know I will be going over stocks as well. So, give me recommendations on stocks too. But yeah, like I said, definitely become a member of the channel. Ask anything, ask me to go over anything you want, and I'll go over it for you. But yeah, like I was saying here with Baby Doge, we're going to do this pullback, so don't be too alarmed. Now, Baby Doge has been trending all over the place, trending here on CoinGecko with the rank number 148. But as you can see, Baby Doge, even if you go over here and then click on the search bar, we're still trending. But now we're number 3. So yeah, Baby Doge still trending all over the place, still doing big numbers here in Baby Doge. So yeah, big shout out to the whole Baby Doge army. But like I said, over here you can see Bitcoin and everything. I said this was a bull trap. I knew it kind of was. And yeah, that's exactly what we had. It was kind of a bull trap. But we just got the news on the whole thing with Biden and the regulations for crypto. And pretty much they're not going to be doing any heavy regulations on crypto right now. They didn't even mention what they're going to be doing specifically, but he did give the go for the government to do those regulations. He just gave them a pass to go ahead and do what they got to do. But for right now, we don't know exactly what it will be, but we know it's not going to be anything too major. But yeah, it's not too big of a deal, honestly. I think they're just going to be making sure that people are protected, like, stopping some of the scams that are happening, the hacks, making more regulations on exchanges so then hackers can't hack them as easily. So yeah, just things like that, stuff with volatility. So they're pretty much going to make things a little bit more safer for the normal investors. But anyways, 1,456,609 people in Baby Doge. Big stuff going on there. And as you can see, we have about 1.3K new holders today and 7.36 trillion new burns today, or coins that were burned. I don't know why I started in there, but yeah, 10.7 million in trading volume, a little bit less than yesterday. Yesterday was pretty much 11 million trading volume. Today, 10.7 million. Now we only have 699 million market cap, or 699 million market cap. Yeah, but something you're seeing here, there's more buys than sales. So you're seeing the whales are buying more Baby Doge than they're selling. If you compare all the buys to the sales, the buys are way more significant. The only major sale that you see here is 2.99 trillion for the whales, which is only 8K, which is very low. And then you look at all the other whales here, they are not selling lots of Baby Doge. That was a little buy there, 3.83 trillion. The whales are buying Baby Doge. The people that are selling Baby Doge are the retail traders. The people that are selling Baby Doge are the small wallets, the normal people like me and you. Those people are selling. I'm not selling. Honestly, I was going to buy more Baby Doge today, $400 worth to be exact, but I decided to go buy some crypto.com coin and staked it and got the card, the Ruby card, I think it is, for 400. So I went ahead and did that because they got good benefits. I use Spotify, so might as well get that cash back. But that's just to say, like, I was going to buy the dip here, but I'm just going to have to wait until next week when I get paid again, and then I'll buy the dip. But I just had to get some crypto.com coin because I definitely think there's huge potential there. I'll be going over that as well. But like I said, though, it's the small traders out there selling baby Doge. You can even see it here with Whale Watcher. Like, you can literally see what the whales are doing, and they're not selling. The only sale that you have here is a 2.99 trillion sale, but that's only 8K. And if you compare it to how much baby Doge they're holding, it's really not significant at all. Compared to the amount of baby Doge they're holding, they're literally holding $1.5 million in baby Doge, which is 528 trillion. They only sold 2 to 3 trillion. That's 2.9 trillion. That's not much at all compared to their whole total holdings of baby Doge. And you can see where they sold that here, 2.77 right there, sold inside baby Doge. That's really not that much at all. And they have been progressively selling, but you just got to look at this major purchase here. Like, that's a huge major purchase compared to the sales. They have been kind of offloading some baby Doge, but they still have such a significant amount of baby Doge that it really doesn't harm baby Doge. It's really the smaller retail traders that's really selling out of baby Doge. So I just had to go ahead and put that out there because a lot of people are probably confused about what's going on there. But like I said, more money's flowing in than flowing out right now. So as you can see over here with the contract, this is 13.35 trillion baby Doge going into there. And then the burn wallet, 7.36 trillion went into the burn wallet today. Pancake swap liquidity, 7.33 trillion went into liquidity today. And remember, when they do the burns, the manual burns, they burn out of the pancake swap liquidity. And over here you can see the contract. So they're going to be taking money from all these little places whenever they do the burns. But that's just something you just got to be wary of because, it's something that always happens. But it's not too big of a deal. Like I said, it's really not a big deal at all. But that's just why we got to look at this circulating supply and not the circulating supply on the baby Doge tracker, because they don't count their liquidity, which they should, because it's something that they take from every time they do the burns. So it's something that's really going to matter to us when we actually look at circulating supply compared to burns. So you really have to look at it from that perspective. But yeah, big shout out to the whole baby Doge army. I'm kind of upset that we didn't win this whole poll from yesterday. I even tried to push it by putting it at the top of my description for my previous video and for the comments, but it seems more people want XDC on here other than baby Doge. But more people who commented and posted memes, they all posted about baby Doge. None of them are talking about XDC. They're all talking about baby Doge, literally. So I don't know how we lost this. Maybe the XDC community had some hackers, look up just this whole thing and then doing all that. I don't know. I definitely think baby Doge should be put in there over DAG and XDC. Baby Doge has way more potential than both of those. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Just wanted to go over all this stuff. And like I said, if you want me to go over stocks and stuff, give me recommendations. I literally have sticky notes on top of sticky notes full of things that I'm going to be going over for the community. But the top priority is the ones for the members. So if you become a member, I'm going to be going over any crypto or stock you want me to go over. I'm going to be going over those before any of the other ones, because as you can see, I've been crossing them off the list here for the members, but the ones for the non-members, I have no time to get to those right now, but I will get to those eventually. But it's just really hard for me with this whole full-time job. But as more people become members, eventually I'll get up to that point where I can do these videos 24/7 and do them for the members primarily, and then just boom, push them out there. Yeah, definitely join the members, and I'll be going over any crypto you want. I will be doing a live stream today. I don't know when or what time. It's going to be really late because it's already late right now, 6:46 p.m. But I will be doing that live stream today. But yeah, definitely hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off, and definitely become a member. And also, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, so definitely don't come here for financial advice. Come here for your own entertainment, and then do your due diligence based off of what you know to be true. So definitely do that. But anyways, this is all I got. As always, I will be back with another video. Peace.